Cryptocurrency is a revolutionary form of digital money that exists only online. Unlike traditional currencies, it operates on a decentralized network, meaning no single entity controls it. At its core is blockchain technology, a secure digital ledger that records every transaction transparently across a network of computers. This makes it incredibly hard to hack. What sets crypto apart? First, it eliminates middlemen, allowing direct transactions between users. Second, its security is top-notch thanks to blockchain. Lastly, it's global. Send money anywhere in the world in minutes. Popular options include Bitcoin, the pioneer, Ethereum with its smart contracts, and Tether, a stablecoin linked to traditional currencies. Just remember, the crypto market can be volatile, so always do your research and invest wisely. Subscribe to Knowledge Central to stay updated.